Okay, Shashmita, you can start.
Hi everyone, I'm Shashmita. Today I'm going to talk about the person who inspires me most. Inspiration is necessary for us in our life. Inspiration helps us to push ourselves to do things that are important to achieve what we desire in our life. We can be inspired by anything, either it is a person, activity, or thing. It is the characteristics and outstanding qualities of the people that make them be an inspiration for us. Many things have inspired me throughout my life, but when asked who inspired me the most, how can I narrow down to one pivotal person who made a difference more than others? Okay, but I can answer for this question by considering except my family because my family is my best friend, forever inspiration in life. The person who inspired me most other than my family is Cristiano Ronaldo. He inspires me to be always believed in myself and no matter how tough the situation was. Okay, let's take a look on the motivational success story of Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Madeira and comes from a very poor family. His early life was filled with struggles. His father was a gardener. In 2005, he died due to the liver failure. His mother worked as a cook and a cleaning lady, so she can provide a hot meal for the family. He was brought up with nothing. He had no toys and no Christmas presents. He shared a room with his brother and two sisters, and his parents slept in the other. When he was 8, Cristiano began to play for the Andorina, his first club, where his father worked as a kit man. At the age of 11, Ronaldo caught the attention of Sporting Club of Portugal. When he was growing up, everybody knew that he was talented, but they also said that he was very small and skinny. And Ronaldo that don't like the sound of it. So he decided to work out at night. One of the most difficult moments for Cristiano was having to leave Madeira to join the Lisbon Academy. When he was playing for the Lisbon Academy, at the age of 15, his career almost ended before it began. He was diagnosed with a heart condition that unfortunately made his heart race even when he was not running or playing. He had to underwent a heart surgery that successfully fixed the problem. So finally he could run, practice and focus on the thing that was most important, that is achieving his dream. In 2003, he became the first Portuguese player to be part of Manchester United. After he joined the team, Sir Alex Ferguson insisted on giving him the number 7 jersey. In 2009, he became the most expensive footballer in history. After nearly a decade, his career with Real Madrid ended. When Ronaldo signed for a 4-year contract with Juventus with a transfer worth 10 million euros, this was the highest ever transfer for a player over 30 years old. He likes every human being had difficulties, failures and disappointments, but his incredible capability to focus, work hard and build his skills every day made him who he is today. Here you can see the wife and kids of Ronaldo. It is necessary to have an inspiration to bring light into our lives. Hope you all have an inspiration too. Don't wait for a turn, make a turn for you. And always remember that secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Are you tired of being unhappy, unfulfilled, not confident? It's time to change your mindset. Thank you so much. Have a great day.